Need to remove a phone from your Consumer Cellular account? You have two main options: deactivation and swapping. Deactivation permanently cancels service on a specific phone number ending voice, text, and data. Swapping, on the other hand, replaces your current phone with a new one on the same line, keeping your number and service active. Consumer Cellular system allows for both options through their app, website, or by calling 1-888-345-5509. Make sure you understand the difference before proceeding. Let's get into the process. For deactivation, first confirm you're the account owner. Then contact Consumer Cellular to start the deactivation. Keep in mind, it can take 24 to 48 hours to complete. For swapping, ensure your new phone is unlocked and compatible with Verizon's network, as Consumer Cellular operates on this network. You can initiate a swap through the online portal or app, and Consumer Cellular supports eSIM swaps for compatible devices, simplifying the process. Remember to back up your data before either deactivating or swapping. With the rise of digital account management, Consumer Cellular now uses AI to assist with these processes, so the app can guide you.